Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and you want to take your engine bay bling up to the next level? All right, so let's talk about this a little bit before we do it, and the reasons why you might want to do something like this. We're going to be replacing almost every visible bolt in the engine bay with a titanium colored bolt. Now, I've got a buddy with a gorgeous purple G80 M3, and he had his hood up and he had purple highlighted bolts throughout his engine bay, and I was just like, what is that? It was one of the coolest things I'd ever seen. So I'm like, you know what, if we're gonna do this, let's do it right. Let's go bananas and do the whole thing. So I'm gonna walk you through this. This is gonna be a really simple install with only a few tools to go through, and I'm gonna give you the highlights. So I'll show you that side and know that the other side is gonna be exactly the same. So let me walk you through this whole process. Let's get started underneath the hood, and I want to show you how you can do this yourself. All right, so we're going to start here on the driver's side of the car on this plastic tray that comes up the side of your fender well. Now, there are those plastic expanding rivets, 1, 2, and 3. Now, in this case, I have all 3 out, but as we go through this, we're going to pull one bolt at a time. We're going to pull one and replace it with one. That way, you don't have anything that goes excessively loose. You don't have any parts that fully come loose as you take everything off. Especially as we get into some of the quarter panel bolts a little bit further down the quarter panel, we want to do one at a time. Now, the one thing I wanted to take a little bit of extra time on this is I've not seen a setup like this, and this is really cool. So when you pull the expanding plastic rivet out, it has the plastic pin in the center. You'll pull the plastic pin out and you're going to replace it with a titanium screw. Now, and these are so light, it's hard to believe. Now, the other caution with all this is remember you're working with titanium. It's not magnetic. You drop one of these, they're going to be harder to get than a normal bolt, okay? So do one at a time and be very careful. So you're going to take this as a 55, and anywhere that you've got these expanding rivets, you've got a 55. And you're going to drive this into it. So we'll take, and it's not straight right now, I know. But we're going to put it in, and then we're going to screw this into the plastic rivet. So I've never seen a setup with one of these. This is really cool. So even these, cheap plastic rivets, we're going to replace them with something that looks really, really cool down the body line. All right, so these first 3 are done. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. Now, if you have a problem where the base of the expanding rivet wants to spin, I found this back one wanted to spin on me for a little bit for whatever reason. I just used a straight pick tool and pressed it down to hold down the flange of the lower section. Then I could drive it in with a wrench without any problem. These are 5mm Allens. The vast majority of these bolts are going to be 5mm. So as we work through them,